Hi, my name is Justine Carlson-Kertanian, and this is application analysis for assignment 5 for digitized learning with tech. I chose to do my analysis on Flocabulary, which is owned by Nearpod. This is an important app that I use often, which is a sister app, like I said, of Nearpod. It's very useful and easy to use for teachers and students, not only for its wide variety of topics throughout grade levels, but the engagement it initiates from students using the Rap and Rhyme. So as you can see, all sorts of subjects, when you go in, they tells you what grade level they're appropriate, and there's a lot of, I think it goes all the way up to 8th grade. Each new concept topic has a rap lesson that comes with the vocabulary cards that are interactive and quizzes, but it also comes with engaging material like clip splicing to use for text evidence and lyric labs, which my students really enjoy. I found this while searching for videos on YouTube once and realized that there was an entire app that contains all the materials I would need. So I eventually had my district buy it for all of the teachers. There are many learning theories that can be applied to this application, such as cognitive, constructivism through creation, humanism through current events, current event topics and videos, and connectivism through both modern day rap lyrics and beats that bring students into the world of historical and science topics and helps make them relatable and easily accessible. This app has features such as captions during videos and interactive vocab cards, like I said, that can help support varying types of learners. It allows learners to draw and write, which is shown here at the bottom. They can choose to write using the card and save their progress, or draw with the card to show their understanding. This app has the ability to enhance or transform the learning environment when instructors model expectations for creativity in the lyric lab, and provide students with the opportunity to present their work and explain their thinking. So I'm going to show you really quick what that might look like here. Typically, they have a vocab word they're supposed to rap with. And then once they type in the vocab word, it provides rhyme words for them to use in their next line. Some limitations of this app might be the cost for subscription. When I first discovered the app, I purchased it for the year on my own. But during the pandemic, Nearpod, which owns Flocabulary, made it free for teachers to use. And since we've returned to in-person instruction, it has gone back to paid viewing, though some videos are available on YouTube. Flocabulary is really easy to use. All you have to do is type in your topic, and all these different videos will pop up and it'll highlight the grade underneath they're appropriate for. My students love Flocabulary videos, and some have told me they really understand it because they were able to listen to it and see it. A class favorite has been the Flocabulary videos on Martin Luther King and the video on sequencing events. Some accessibility issues might include the fact that it does not have text-to-speech options, although if you do have a Chromebook, a Google device, you can set that in settings on the whole device itself for any application that you use. So as far as text to speech options, those are not available except for obviously reading your own lyrics when you created them in the Lyric Lab. And though YouTube is comparable in quality and variety, available for teachers to use with instruction, I have not yet found an application that is comparable in the way Flocabulary provides all these different ways to engage with the material, where students are able to explore topics and teachers are able to view learning progress in one location. So I'll show you what that looks like as well. Excuse me. Go to one they've done already. Here we go. So I'll hide the names here. But basically there are names on the side telling you how much they got right. And if you want to push it back out because you think they can do better, you just reassign it. And on this one, I only assign the video and the quiz, but you can assign all of the features that are available with each lesson. So all of these features on the side you can assign. So I'll show you the assigning process. Actually, I don't want to show the names, but the assigning process is very easy. You just click the ones that you want them to see. This has been my application analysis for assignment 5. Thank you so much for watching.